Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to disable camera and microphone use notifications on Chrome. If you've been noticing those alerts pop up whenever Chrome accesses your camera or microphone, and you'd prefer not to see them anymore, I'll show you exactly how to turn them off. Let's get right into it. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where most adjustments to apps and permissions take place, so everything we need is located right here. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This will pull up a list of all the apps installed on your device. Since we're focusing on Chrome, go ahead and find Chrome in the list and select it. Now that you're in the Chrome app specific settings, look for the option labeled Notifications. Tap on it to continue. This area controls all the different notification types associated with Chrome, and this is the key to turning off those camera and microphone alerts. Within the Notifications menu, you'll see something called Notification Categories. This is where Chrome groups different notification options into sections. Tap to open this list. Here, look for the categories related to camera use and microphone use. You'll notice toggles next to them. Simply turn those switches off. By doing this, you're preventing Chrome from interrupting you with alerts whenever the camera or microphone is in use, while still keeping the core functionality of Chrome completely intact. And that's it. Those steps are all you need to follow. You've now disabled camera and microphone use notifications for Chrome on your device. To quickly recap, open Phone Settings, go to Apps, select Chrome, tap on Notifications, open Notification Categories, and switch off camera and microphone use. This change is immediate, so the next time Chrome uses your camera or microphone, you won't see those notifications popping up anymore. You'll have a cleaner, distraction-free experience while browsing, video chatting, or using any site that requires access to these features. Thanks for watching.